Hello all traders, today is Friday, 7th of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and CFDs. If we look at the macro chart of 1 hour, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close on all E-minis and retested this level a few times during the Asian and London session, and it started to go down during the London session pre-market. And if you look at the 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go up and retested the previous day close, and it bounced back and went down and passed the previous day low. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price have some pullback, take a long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 10 o'clock when I came back, the price was going up here and testing the previous day close, and I had a pullback here. So I took long position for a quick scalp on Nasdaq and closed it in the upper area of the channel with profit, and waited for a deeper pullback that happened around 10:20 when the price was going down and testing this level of support here on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. So this wave of uptrend here was taken with setup C on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. 3 long positions were taken, and since the volatility was high, I closed it quickly in the upper area of the channel for fast scalping. And since we reached the daily target and the volatility was high, I finished working on this account for the day. And you see the stats on this account, which was copied by CopyTrader to other Apex Trader funding accounts. And as you see, the result is positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from 5 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 284 and the largest winning trade was $420. So that's a summary of some of the trades I have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades that I have taken during the London session. 6 long positions were taken on S&P 500 and Dow Jones, and you see here the entries mostly with setup T and B. And I didn't take any trades on DAX at this time because it was highly volatile and non-trendy in this area with lots of news coming. And since the volatility was high and the market was non-trendy, I finished trading during the London session for the day and had 2 swing trade positions during the New York market session that is in progress. So with these trades taken today, we reached a total balance of $78.71 with the profit factor of 2.11. And this shows the equity curve of account in the second stage of the challenge that is increasing consistently, and our open drawdown of the account is below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm in order to pass the challenge and get funded. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.